and other guys as well. So lots of guys have stood on the mound for the Phils, but some of these guys we're looking at now will be the future for the Phils.
Well, let's hope Eickhoff's okay, Murph. That ball went right off his pitching hands. Hopefully it hit the glove and it softened the blow a little bit. He's wandering around the back of the mound. He took a look at it for a moment. And he's just trying to move it around a little bit. Sean Ficasi's coming out. Watch it here. This ball's hit hard by Bour.
All reaction right there.
And it didn't hit the glove.
No,
I thought the glove.
Bare hand. All reaction. You know, Galvis is playing right behind him. Almost looked like it clipped the top of his thumb.
Yeah, I thought it grazed the glove to soften it, but it did not. Bob McClure is going out as well, just to hang next to Sean Ficasi as he throws a couple pitches here.
Backstop. That's what you do. You throw to the backstop and say you're good to go. Just a reaction right there. I think they hit him right in the thumb. Oh, the fingers.
Ooh, right in the fingers, yeah. Tells Sean he's okay. Tells Bob he's okay. Jared's family was in a celebratory mood after the first. Now they're just hoping he's okay. Marcell Ozuna was digging in, but Eickhoff's going to throw a couple more pitches. He says he's okay. Murph was talking about the starters, and we saw that graphic down at the bottom. That 1946, the Phillies had 19 starters. That's the record. The starters' earned run average over the last 17 games is 7.8.